Hello and good evening once again, my pickleball friends. This is Pickleball Ace, your friendly tennis player turned pickleball enthusiast. So what I have now is an unboxing that I got from SELKIRK. This is the boomstick package that I got from Black Friday. And so it's supposed to be an unboxing, but I already opened the box because I forgot to turn on record. Already opened this and cut through the tape and forgot to turn on the camera. I didn't see that it was flashing red. And so I'm probably gonna turn the camera around and focus on the inside. Okay, so let us see what's inside the boomstick box. Ta-da! Okay, let's open the box. Alright, the boomstick package, of course, the SELKIRK pickleball cap, very nice, and the SELKIRK slide. Let's see, let's focus on that thing. There we go. SELKIRK slide. Let's open the box real quick. I forgot how much this package was. So this is the slide. You know, pretty nice, pretty neat. After the game, you just, you know, relax and put this on. Okay, there you go. Very cool. Okay, let's put this on the floor. And what else? They gave me 3 Pro S1s here, and I think this is a little, what is this? Crossbody mini pack. Oh, fanny pack. Fanny pack. All right. Some SELKIRK Labs stickers, of course, the pouch that comes with, what is inside here? Okay, it's like boomstick certificate of authenticity. Certificate of authenticity. MOI tuning. There we go. And this is the receipt. Nothing else. And of course, the boomstick. This is the elongated one. Here we go. Very nice, very nice. So the paddle itself, they were on sale. I think it went to $290, but then it's a package. It went beyond 330-ish, more than. But this is the Black Friday package from SELKIRK. And yeah, that's everything, guys. Thank you so much for watching the unboxing of the SELKIRK Boomstick Black Friday package. Thank you. Please subscribe.